软软的香港。
我们让你拿着你的这个吉祥物一起拍个照。
Very happy to have you here today. I think it's important that we hold things like these because you, younger generation, are the people that we're going to see working in Formula One in years to come. So I guess this is just the first insight of what it's like to work in Formula One, what the environment is like, and showing you the ins and outs. So it's great to have you here today, and I'm very excited to show you around the garage.
We were sitting in the room. This is where all the action happens, you know, the cars. The pit lane is on the other side, so the circuit is on the other side. So this is the access to the garage where all the team members go through, okay? And as you will see, once we go into the garage, now the people are putting all the equipment in. So there's a lot of action going, and there's a lot of, it's not a bit untidy.